Hi guys, this is your Oracle DBA Rocks, and today we are going to do some exercises on tablespace management. So quickly get on to those exercises right now. Alright, I have already a couple of videos on tablespace management, but from the beginning I'm going to do some exercises right now. So let's set our SID, export Oracle underscore SID to the SRDBA. S/S DBA startup command will start up the database, as you all know. Now the SGA is allocated. Very soon the database is going to be mounted. The database is mounted already. Now the database would be opened very soon. Now there are few different exercises on tablespace management, so I'm going to do everything from the basic level. I mean, how to create a database and how to resize a data file and all this stuff. One by one we are going to do at this point of time. Let's just check the name of the database. Select name from $database. Yes, we are connected to the right database. Now let us see first what are the tablespace available at this point of time. Select name from $tablespace. Okay, we have got few tablespaces, so we are going to create. I'm going to show you guys how to create a tablespace first. All right, so to create a tablespace, the command is create tablespace name. Let us give a tablespace name called TBS. Alright, TBS. Let us give the tablespace name as TBS and create tablespace name, data file and G01. This is the file, this is the path file structure where I'm going to save that data file, where I'm going to create that data file. I'm sorry, G01 or a data /tbs.dbf size. You can give anything. Let's give us 10 meg. Alright. Yes, tablespace is created. Now guys, you have to know one thing. You might be wondering, if you look at the size here, I gave 10 megs, but as far as my information, as far as my knowledge goes, you can create a table space with a minimum size of 2 KB. That would be a locally managed table space, and for dictionary managed table space I guess it is 3 KB. 3 KB, yeah, the minimum size. You cannot create a table space beyond 2 KB. So 2 KB is the minimum size that you have to remember it. So we have created a table space named TBS. Now earlier we had 8 table spaces here. Now let's gonna check whether the new table space has been created or not. Alright, so select name from $tablespace is the command to check the available table spaces. Yes, see, look here, we have got the table space, new table space created, and we can also check the data file which we gave here. We can check this data file as well with the command. We can select file underscore name tablespace underscore name from DBA underscore data underscore files. This view, see, look, this view this is the TBS table space which we have created, and this is the data file path which we gave. and this is the logical, this is the logical view which you are looking on the screen at this point of time. So I'm going to show you where this TBS data file physically got created. Okay, all right, so now let's go cd / g0, and we have to get into that location to view the table space. See, look here, the tbs.dbf, you can view here. This is the logical view, and this is the physical, actually the physical view of the physical file of the table space, which it got created here in the location where we gave. So you can check the size of the table space. We gave it as 10 meg. I guess you guys remember we gave above the size of the created data file is 10 meg. See, look, it is 10 meg, and in the physical location when it got created, we can even check by giving this command, by giving a simple Unix command called du-h tbs.dbf. See here, it is 11 megs here, but if you create a table space of 10 meg, it automatically takes 1 plus, it will add 1 megabyte more, so it is shown as 11 meg. So this is how you find the size of a particular file. You can even find the sizes of all the files which are available here. All right, so this is how you create a table space. Now let's move on to some other exercise. So and also there are two types of table spaces. One is the dictionary managed table space, and another is the locally managed table space. The default what we create would be a permanent table space, and the default is also a locally managed table space. So now we have created table space with size of 10 megabytes. Now I'm gonna resize that data file. That is one more exercise we can do here. So select file underscore name tablespace underscore name from dba underscore data underscore files. All right, see here what I'm going to do now. I'm going to resize this tbs.dbf file, which is 11 megs right now. I'm gonna bring it down to 5 megabytes. All right, I'm gonna resize it. All right, so now the command is alter database data file g01/data/species/tbs.dbf resize 5 megabytes. See, database is altered, and now you can get into the physical location. This is the physical location. This is the physical location. I guess you guys can see here. See G01 or data TBS. Now here you can see tbs.dbf. Now it's gonna be 6 megabytes, somewhere related to 6 megabytes. All right. So the command is earlier what we have typed, du-h tb.dbf. See, look, it's gonna be 5.1 megabytes tbs.dbf. So guys, this is how you resize a data file. You have created data file with one particular size, and you probably want to resize it once again. So you can resize that in this way. So now we have created a table space, and now I'm gonna show you guys how to drop a table space. All right, we select name from $, table space. All right, see, we have this TBS table space what we have created at this point of time, as you guys were following this video. Now I'm gonna drop this table space, all right. Now the command is drop table space TBS, all right. This is the command. See, table space dropped. Now the interesting thing is, if we drop the table space, the table space is dropped only logically. Physically the data file is still there. I mean, if we drop this table space TBS table space logically, it is dropped logically, all right, and we can still find this tbs.dbf physical file in the physical location. I mean, we can still find the tbs data file here in the location, all right. See, look, we have dropped the table space logically, but the physical file is still available, so we have to, we can even remove it with the command rm tbs dot tbf. You can remove it like this, or there is another method, where we can just drop it from the SQL prompt with the command alter tablespace name, including contents and data files. So this is the command to drop the entire table space and the contents associated with this. All right, so guys, I guess now we can just create and we'll see this exercise. All right, okay, we'll create the same table space once again. So here, create table space tbs data file g01 /01 / data /33 tbs dot dbf size 10 meg. All right, look, the table space is created, and if you get into this physical files location, we see this table space dbs file located here as well. Now we are going to drop this with a single command. Earlier we dropped the table space alone, and again we came back to the physical location, and then we have removed it manually. But select name from select file underscore name table space underscore name from dba underscore data underscore files. See, now we are going to remove both the table space logically and physically as well with a single command. Now the command is drop table space tbs including contents and data files. All right, this single command will drop the entire, drop the table space logically and and physically as well. Now you can just go and check. See, you don't find any tbs file, all right, here in this location. And also, if you can go and check logically as well, it's gonna be dropped. Select file underscore name table space underscore name from dba underscore data underscore files. See, we have got only 7 table spaces at this point of time, and you don't see any tbs table space and the associated data file at this point of time, where earlier you saw. See here you have both the files, 8 rows, both the files. Now with a single command you have dropped the entire thing. So this is it. So I'm gonna continue more videos at this point of time. Thank you very much, and you have a great day. Bye.